right, now that we've learned about the basic forms, we just talked about them a little bit, okay? We talked specifically about the sphere, the cone, and the cylinder, okay? So we're going to try and use that knowledge as another way of helping us draw better. So when we look at something, for example, when we're looking at an animal or something like that, what we can start to do is kind of break down that body into the different forms that you see. So we have some examples here. You just break down that body into some lines and forms. So it's either turning like the head and the body kind of into a sphere, maybe even like the little pads of the foot of the jaguar or whatever into little spheres. And some of those other body parts fit more with like the cylindrical kind of form. So you see some cylinders in here, especially in the tail. And by being kind of aware more of these basic forms, it should help us to draw a little bit better. So I'm going to ask you to kind of be aware of those forms again as you draw. So I'm giving you this little challenge to do now. And this should take you, I think, about 10 to 15 minutes. So when you're looking at our little scarecrow right here, start thinking about those forms like we see kind of a cone, in the head. This leg is looking mighty cylindrical. So as you're doing this, try and help yourself use your forms. Don't just look at the lines of everything because there's a lot of lines this time. Break this down into some of those forms and it'll help you kind of break things down easier and quicker and just feel a little bit more comfortable as you're drawing. So go ahead and draw our little scarecrow into the box on the right. And again, this should probably take you about 10 to 15 minutes. So good luck, have fun.